If I were a boy, even just for a day, I'd roll out of bed in the morning and throw on what I wanted and go.
Music on demand.
Drink beer with the guys and chase after girls. I kick it with who I wanted, and I never get confronted for it, 'cause they stick up for me. If I were a boy, I think I could understand how it feels to love a girl. I swear I'd be a better man. I listen to her, 'cause I know how it hurts when you lose the one you wanted, 'cause he's taking you for granted, and everything you had got destroyed. If I were a boy,
Music on demand.
I would turn off my phone, tell everyone it's broken, so they think that I was sleeping alone. I put myself first and make the rules as I go, 'cause I know that she'd be faithful, waiting for me to come home, to come home. If I were a boy, I think I could understand, oh, how it feels to love a girl. I swear I'd be a better man. I listen to her, 'cause I know how it hurts when you lose the one you wanted, and she's taking you for granted, and everything you had got destroyed. It's a little too late for you to come back, say it's just a mistake, think I forgive you like that. If you thought I would wait for you, you thought wrong. But you're just a boy, you don't understand. You don't understand how it feels to love a girl. Someday you wish you were a better man. You don't listen to her, you don't care how it hurts until you lose the one you wanted, 'cause you're taking her for granted, and everything you had got destroyed. But you're just a boy.
Jeg sidder lidt og tænker på, hvad der sker med os. Der har været tider, hvor vi skændes og slås, for vi vil det samme, vi er næsten alt for ens, og ingen vil give efter. Men jeg vil aldrig, 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 aldrig undvære dig. og flink. En der kræver af mig og kritiserer mig. En der hvisker mig i øret, når jeg kommer for langt ud. En der sparker til mig, når jeg bliver lidt for sløv. En der protesterer, når jeg dominerer. En der gør mig jaloux, når jeg bliver lidt for sikker. Og det gør ingenting, nej, at du ser ret godt ud. Og alle mine veninder, ja, de vil dø for at få dig. De hører med i spillet imellem dig og mig. Og jeg ved, du aldrig svigter mig. Yeah. Ja, jeg ved, du aldrig svigter mig. Og jeg ved aldrig, 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 aldrig undvære dig. Baby, aldrig, 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 aldrig. Jeg vil aldrig undvære dig. Hvis vi kunne blive ved og holde ild i flammen. Jeg håber sådan, at vi kunne blive gamle sammen. For når vi er sammen, er der altid en
Her kommer en sang.
ikke altid
Det er min version.
men heller aldrig trist. For du er skabt for mig, og jeg for dig. Ja, du er den eneste, der kan bestemme over mig. Og derfor spørger jeg nu, vil du vælge mig? Skal vi gå den samme trådløse vej? Og jeg vil aldrig, 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 aldrig undvære dig.
Ja, og du skal også vise din pæne have.
Skøjt så hurtigt du kan. Fuck, det går godt, hva'?
Hun gav mig en god idé. Nej, tag det der.
Oh my god.
Yeah.